Good evening, everybody. Good evening, my friends, my students, my subscribers. I greet you all. Today is Thursday, the 10th day of December 2020. I want to do some random pays, some random analysis on some pays. As I promised that I will do many videos this month, so that's why I'm doing it. I will likely do another one tomorrow, next tomorrow, depending on the time I have. Okay, let me take you to USD ZAR, US dollar, South African rand. This is daily chart. As you can see, last time I made the analysis, I said that we either that if the price will either turn here or here. As you can see, it's still going down. I think on 4 hours we will see it better on 4 hours so that you can see this structure. Let me go to 4 hours. On 4 hours, as you can see, my advice was the break of this channel, and you can see I pointed out from here that we were waiting for a break of this channel and ultimately a break of here. I also say that this can break and the price still comes down, but the good news there that the channel is yet to be broken, so we keep waiting for the break of this channel, then we can buy. As long as this channel remains intact, no buy on USD ZAR. 1 hour and 4 hours is always the same thing. There is nothing new here, only that we saw a rejection candle. See this low, try after this pullback, the price tried to take out this low, but it could not. So maybe it is an indication that the price will keep going up, but let's keep watching. But the momentum of the up move is not that interesting, so to say. Okay, I'm going away from this chart. The next I want to touch is let me check. Let me go to USD card. Let me go to USD card. Where is my USD card? USD card is making some strange movement. Everybody expected the USD card to turn when it formed a triangle. I expected it to turn. I expected that USD card will end here. This was my expectation, but when it could not end here, then I changed my bias. What do? I went back to weekly chart and count this. So I'm expecting a further drop. This is my main count. Wave 1, wave 2 is a triangle, A, B, C, D, E. 2, this is wave 3, and wave 4 is a running flat, A, B, C. And agreement for that matter, an extended running flat, a terrible running flat. Okay, and wave 5 will likely develop as 5 waves impulse. You can see wave 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5. This movement is unusual. It is very, very unusual. All the time, 90% of the time, whenever this type of structure is formed, you will see something like this. But in this case, you can see it keeps going down because of this scenario. If you want to sell USD card, don't use a big lot size. because you might see surprises, but because of the break of this very triangle in the wrong direction, so to say, I keep watching, and I can say it will come down here, then come down here, and further down, come down further. So, but you know, as I said, it's a forecast, not a must it will happen like that. Okay, let's take our 4 hours. There are nothing new in 4 hours, nothing new. Other than I expected this triangle to hold, but you can see it has broken it. So I don't know, maybe it can still go up from here, I don't know, but the break of this triangle is not a good sign in this market, not a good sign at all in this market. But let's keep watching to know what will happen. I think I'll go to 1 hour again to see if I see something different. On 1 hour, nothing different on 1 hour. They are all pointing downwards, so there's no difference on 1 hour. Let me zoom the candle. The only difference on 1 hour is that this candle looks like a hammer. It looks like a hammer. It's a kind of what do you call it? This candle looks like a trend change candle. It looks like a trend change candle. So maybe we might see buying, but something I'm thinking about, that even if it will buy, here will serve as resistance. So, and you know, it's not an ideal trade to just trade from here and stop here. So maybe if we see a sharp candle, okay, now let me tell you something. You can talk about buying if price close above here. That's the only time I will consider talking about buying on USD card. But as long as the triangle got broken to the wrong direction, I'll just be watching the market. I would rather wait to sell, to buy it when it completes the weekly and daily counts. Okay, out from here we go to S&P 500. Let me see what we have there. S&P 500. Let me go to 4 hours, because some days ago I touched this pair. I made the analysis of S&P 500 some days ago, so I will not waste time here, only to show you what is happening. When I made the analysis, I was thinking that the channel will broke from here and come down, but nothing has changed. You can see the triangle have been broken, and this is the perfect sell setup. So if you want to sell S&P 500, you place your sell stop below this line. It will be good to place your sell stop below this line. The reason for sell stop is that this very candle looks somehow like a reversal candle. What does it mean? The market can still go up. The market can still go up. That's what it means. But if it breaks this reversal candle, it will come down. So an ideal approach is to put a sell stop below this very candle. Okay, no need going to 2 hours. I mean, go to 1 hour, because there's nothing to show on 1 hour. It will be the same thing altogether. Okay, you see it. The channel is broken, and we are having, maybe we might end up having A, B, C, either running flat or expanding flat. So, but the close of this candle again will trigger a sell. That's all I can say. That's all I see for now. on S&P 500. Okay, I think I will also go to US 30. It's been long, I've not analyzed US 30. Okay, US 30, we are waiting for a break. There are so many ending a diagonal on some pays, so we are expecting something like S&P 500, a break of the channel, correction and the sell. Let me go to 1 hour to 2 hours to see it in a better way. So what we're gonna do is that if this channel is broken and we get A, B, C, then we place sell top below the low, and if price comes down, we will be in the market and make profit. So I'm looking for sell. I'm not looking for buy on US 30 because of this very structure. Okay, now let's move to another pair. Let's go to Dow Jones Industrial Average. Dow Jones, many of them have similar structure. Very many of them. You can see I'm also waiting for the break of this channel. If it breaks and gives me a correction, I will just sell. But if I sell, it will be towards this trend line. But the best thing is wait for the sell. After the sell, then you buy, because it's an uptrend market. So from what I see here, this market will still go far, because this is wave 4. And okay, let me go back to 4 hours. This is wave 4, and this can only be wave 1 of 5, and this can be what is called the leading diagonal. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 down. So this will be 1. Let me label it. This will be 1 of 5. Then this will be 2 of 5, and then we may have 3 of 5, 4 of 5, and then wave 5. So we are expecting a very serious bullish market on this. So, and whenever wave 1 is extended in the market, there's always a kind of bigger move is expected. This is just wave 1, because I don't see any correction around here. This is wave 1 of the 50 wave, and here will be wave 2. This will be a leading diagonal, wave 3, 4, 5, and so on. So the market is a buying market, but because of this triangle, somebody can sell towards here. Okay, I'm not going back to 1 hour. There's nothing to show on 1 hour. Then what again are you going to look at? Okay, let me go to okay, Bitcoin. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed on Bitcoin. Only that I kept saying it. This is not the best time to buy Bitcoin. Remember, 2 days ago, I said that the market will come down somewhere here, then go up, then come down to complete A, B, C. The first has almost happened. We wait whether we will get this, or it will end here, come back here before it goes up again. It will definitely go up again, but it may take time. So it will take time. If you want to buy Bitcoin, at least wait. Let this correction finish. It might end either here, or even down here. So I am waiting for Bitcoin to come down 15,000, 15,500, 16,000. 16.5. I will only buy Bitcoin from here to here. If not, I'm not gonna buy. If Bitcoin doesn't come down from here to here, that is between 16,400 to 15,000, I will not buy. That is it. It may take time, but it will definitely happen. Okay, 2 hours, nothing there. 4 hours and 2 hours and 1 hour, they are showing the same thing, only that you see it. You see a more detailed chart. Okay, the market was here when I did this. I suspect that it will come up here once more before it go down. As you can see, it is going down, and I can tell you this is somehow a correction. We can still get here before we go up, but even if we don't get here, we are going up, and after going up, we might come down without breaking this top. The market might reverse without breaking this top, or it may break it before it comes down. Okay, that's all for Bitcoin. What again are we going to touch? Okay, let me go to USD ZAR. It's been long, I haven't touched it. USD ZAR. Okay, no, sorry, that's the first pair I touched. USD JPY, I don't know, but this pair is just playing a trickish game. So from what I see here, we might see get another drop. Buyers of USD JPY, beware. We might still get another drop from here. So if you are buying, be careful. The best thing to do is to wait for the break of this channel, because the way it is moving, we might still see a break down towards here. It's possible, but not a must. But it is possible. So the best thing is to wait for the break of this channel before we buy, to be on the safe side. On the safe side, okay. What again? USD HF. This pair for long. I haven't touched it, but maybe let me see what is there. USD HF is behaving like USD JPY, but all the same, nothing much have changed. Last time I made the analysis, I was thinking that we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you can see either the 4 that can still happen. The 4 can still happen. Maybe it might happen somewhere here. It might happen somewhere here. Then another drop before we'll talk about it going up on the pair. So we will likely have the price might still come down. Okay. So why I'm saying this, you don't think that the market has been going down for long, that it will definitely go up. Of course it will go up, but wait for it to finish what it is doing. See, what will likely happen is that we may see a break of this very place, maybe something like this might happen. Then we see another drop before it finally goes up. So why I'm saying this is that the way the market is moving, it is no longer that it doesn't have force anymore. So it might break here, and they will think it is finally going up. It will come down without coming here. So the best thing is to be patient and wait for it to break this very channel. So that's my analysis. That's my advice, and that is how I will trade it. I would like to buy it, but I don't want to lose my money buying it. Okay. What do we have again? USD. I think I have touched USD card. Yes, that's the first pair I touched. What again do we have? Let me touch EURJPY and GBJPY. Last time I told you about EURJPY. I said that the break of this line have confirmed a buying market. Okay, and I remember I said that I'm looking for a correction towards here before I buy. Though I haven't bought because I like to have a deeper correction. That's why I haven't bought it. Maybe something like this will be okay for me. If the price can give me 38.2 figure, I will buy. 23.6 is too shallow for me because we might see price come down here again. So even if the only way I can buy now without the price touching that 8 point is if I see a sharp candle that goes like this, then I'll wait for a correction. Then I will buy. But if not, I'll be watching it because I like to see a deep correction. 38.2, 50%, 61.8 before I buy. You see, this one touched 61.8 before stone, and this 1.8 is from here to here. So it turned here and go up. So that is an ideal retracement for trading. So with this short retracement, I will not buy. Okay, let me go to GBJPY. GBJPY. Okay. GBP pace is most unstable this time around. There's no way you can be correct analyzing it. I don't know, maybe because of the Brexit or whatever, I don't know. But I remember these lines. I said if it breaks, it will go down. But you can see it go down and come up again, and it's going down again. I think the best thing to do is to forget about this very pair right now. In fact, forget about GBP pays this year. This is the end of the year, and sometimes the market doesn't follow rules, and you can see GBP pays are most confused. So I will forget about GBP pays for now and focus on others. So I'm no longer trading this, even if it comes here as I suppose. Even if it comes here, these levels are where I predicted. I will not even buy because they don't have direction now until we know what they are doing. So let me forget about GBP pairs for now. Even if GBP USD, you see the same confusion. All GBP pairs, you can only see confusion. I don't know. No clear focus, no direction. It's just moving randomly. Okay, the same thing is happening on GB USD. It broke here. I said that. Okay, let me go to 2 hours to show you something. Last time I said that we will likely have ABC, and the ABC have happened a little above where I said it will stop. Okay, it has happened, but I'm supposed to see a better move. I can see it's just sluggish. So I was thinking that here will be a sell stop, but for now GBP pays no trade for me. If you want to trade, you can go on and trade. For me, I will be watching it for now, the way I watch Liverpool players play. Okay, what again? I think I will call it a day. or do I go to Euro USD? Okay, let me go there. Since I have Euro USD, okay, on Euro USD, I'm trying to get a break of this trend line, a correction, and sell. Okay, yeah, I now remember. I said we have two options. Either the market comes here and they continue going up, or it will break this trend line and come down. You can see it touched the trend line. It didn't come deeper as I forecasted, but it is going up. But I don't like the pace. I don't like the way it is moving. It is moving correctively, and once the market begins to move correctively, we will see a change of movement. So I won't be surprised if tomorrow this price comes down here, make correction, and keep coming down. So for this reason, I will be watching. I will not trade, but we will likely break this top before this happens. But if the market comes up and breaks this top and it didn't go far, so why trading it? End of the year is always like this. So if you are a new trader, don't worry about what's happening in the market. That is end of the year for you. It's always full of confusion. Okay, let me go to gold before I call it a day or a night, whichever one. Here is night. I don't know where you are. Gold is somehow more meaningful than many other pays. Okay, gold. My forecast is that gold will come here as wave 2. But let me tell you, it may see. Okay, let me know the figure I put here. That's 8.2. Okay. Now let me teach you something. In every retracement, an ideal levels for retracement is between 38.2 and 61.8. So whenever a retracement doesn't come down to that 8.2, 50%, 61.8, that will be considered a just pullback, not a retracement. If it ends up before 30.2 and keeps going up, then I will call it a pullback, not a retracement. Then if it goes beyond 61.8, it will become an extended correction. So don't be surprised if gold do something like this. Okay, now let me show you something. This gold we are looking at can do something like this. A, B, C. Then before it goes up, gold can do something like this. A, B, C. It may terminate here or come down here before it go up. So that is why the best thing to do on gold is to keep watching gold. Let us leave wave 2 to play out. Then if the price comes where wave 1 is, we will look for buy setup. The best thing is to wait for gold to close above here, because remember, this is the first impulse, 1 2 3 4 5, and this 5 is 1. So why rushing it? Gold will continue to buy. Gold will, if gold did not come here and close below this point, if gold doesn't come back and close below 1763, then gold will continue to buy. Gold will continue to buy. Gold will continue to buy to maybe 2,400. or 2005 before we see another selling. So we are going towards an interesting bull market on gold. So this is my forecast: 2000, 200, 2000, sorry, 2001, 2002, and so on. So here is my forecast. So this is very good that has begun this journey here is going to 2002, 2001. So why rushing to buy it? Why rushing? So it's better you keep watching to know how it goes. But if we get a buy setup anywhere here, I will buy if I see a good buy setup. So you cannot know all the buy setup and how it works and how it was. If you want to learn all these things, join my students group. Right now I'm charging little money, as I always say. By end of the year, everything will close. By new year 2021, the price will change. So make use of this opportunity. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, join our free Telegram channel, invite your friends, share our video, like our video, promote our video, and then if you want to learn, join the students group. God bless you. Trade with care. Bye.